Hi, everybody. Welcome to Mark's Backyard Birds. Today, we're talking about one of the most frustrating conundrums at bird feeding in the bird feeding world, and that are the house sparrows, the non-native English sparrows that are so numerous and they take over bird feeders, and people get very frustrated. I know there's some of you who love them, but this is for people who are frustrated with them, and you want to look for potential and hopefully solutions or ways to lessen their numbers and they lessen the impact on your bird feeder. So today we're talking about striped sunflower. Now, most people, you may be most familiar with black oil sunflower, which is a small, really soft coated, high oil, high fat, number one seed choice for birds in the bird feeding world. And we feed a lot of it, sell a lot of it. But house sparrows love it as well as so many other birds. So they can be very frustrating. And so we talk about safflower as being a seed that, house sparrows and many of the other pest birds don't like, but we don't often talk about striped sunflower. They are bigger than the black oil sunflower. Their nutritional value is only slightly less than black oil sunflower, but it's still a nutritious food. But what is the deterrent? While they're not well received by house sparrows and some of the other pest birds because of the size of the hull. It's harder for smaller birds like house sparrows to consume them, to crack them open. And the black oil is really easy. The larger stripe, so it is not. So it's the larger stripe caters to bigger birds. Cardinals absolutely love it, and so they'll take to it, and grosbeaks will. And other smaller birds like chickadees and titmice, they crack it open and can pull the heart of it out of there. Your sunflower hearts, your sunflower kernels, the smalls, the mediums, the wholes, those come from striped sunflower. So that tells you that it's a good seed. How well birds love the sunflower kernels. So if you're having trouble with these guys, that's your bird feeders, try the striped sunflower. Now you pay a little bit extra for them. They're not as cheap as the little black oil sunflowers because they grow so many more of them for the bird feeding world. But the striped sunflower may save you money in the long run because they're not being consumed by the English sparrows and some of the other pest birds. They say grackle don't like it as much. So I know Carrie used to mix striped sunflower with her safflower in one open feeder, and it was a really good deterrent for some of the pest birds like the house sparrows and even the grackles. So people ask the question, why should I pay more for the striped sunflower? That's what we're talking about. You can use it to help deter some of the birds you don't want at your bird feeder. Short one today, but it's a topic I get asked about. I wanted to get that out for you. So great idea for a program. Send in future requests if you would. I want to talk about what you want me to talk about. If you like the program, please give it a like, give it a share, and with your friends and family. And until next time, let's talk birds.